This coily hair was done with a straight normal braiding extension, and this was a very fast hairstyle. So I combined 3 colors of braiding extension. I will drop the colors in the description down below. So you can get any rope, like I use wool to tie to somewhere so I can be able to work with this. So if you have any other place you can do this, you can also work with that, but this is what I could get, so it's easy. Just get a strong rope or anything that you know that won't cut in the process. Thank you for stopping by today. Please do wait to smash that subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, comment. I want to hear your thoughts about the hairstyle, and if you have any questions to ask me, please do wait to put it in the comment section, and I'll be here to respond to every one of you. hot water, I decided to add my coil keeper because I don't want this coil to like unravel or like scatter soon. So that's the reason I decided to add this coil keeper to the hot water so that it will penetrate into the hair. So I air dried it, I allowed it to dry, but please don't allow it to dry completely. Let it still have some moisture in it before you unravel it. Dry look of this hair before adding water and product. So I'm adding more coil keeper to this hair and water. Like I mixed it, both the coil keeper and water. After adding water, I added coil keeper. So this is the wet look of this hair. Guys, I want to hear in the comments which of them do you prefer, the wet or the dry look. So guys, if you're here to click that subscribe button, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, and smash that notification button so that every single time I make a new post, you'll be the first to be notified. I hope you like this look. Thank you and see you in my next video.